Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Bunch. My name is Shubham Giri and I'm back with yet another video where I'll show you how you can make money online. So this platform is called Valued Opinions, and out here all you need to do is do some simple surveys and start making money right away. It's that easy to get started out here. So before we get started with the registration, let's have a quick look at what this website actually is and how you can get paid. So here are three simple steps that you need to perform. Register for free, participate in surveys, and you can earn rewards right away. So that's how easy it is in order to get started out here. So I'll give you the link to this website in the description below, so you don't need to worry about it. Once you're here, simply click on join now, and this window will appear for you. And out here you have to fill out all the basic details about yourself. So go ahead and fill out all the details. Residence postal code, your email ID, check this box, check these two boxes as well. So once you're done with all the details, click on submit. Give a security question just for the backup purpose. And once you're done with that, you land right up here where you can see all the details about your profile. And first up, it says you have to confirm your email ID by opening your Gmail account or whichever account you have used to sign up here. So simply open up that account and confirm your email ID from there. So this is the mail that you'll receive from Valued Opinions. All you need to do is click on activate now, and your account is activated. You can even add an alternate email to your account just for the backup. For now, we are ignoring this. And as you can see, you have one survey for you already. So that's how active this website is, and you'll get many surveys out here. So simply, and you can earn up to 90 by completing this simple survey about social topics. So right here it says qualify for even more surveys by completing your profile. So first step that we'll do is complete our basic details about ourselves, and so that we can get more surveys. So go ahead and click on account and click on my details, and these are the basic details about yourself. Make sure these details are filled, and once you're done with my details, you can check out survey history as well, past orders. And once you're done with that, click on surveys, start survey if you see any survey. So this will open a new tab for you, and it will ask some basic social questions that you need to complete in order to get 90. Make sure you make good use of this website. You can take up these questions in your free time. And that's it. We are done with first survey. And as you can see, reward is 90. So that's really a good website to get started with, and you can start doing surveys right away. So that's pretty much about Valued Opinions. It's that easy to get started out here, and you'll see surveys lined up for you. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Bunch and hit that bell icon, and even press the like button, because I'll be coming out with more videos like this one.